Alright, right position, fat cakes, slices, room candle effects, some other effects. Mirrored on that other side over there. Waterfall in the middle. More slices, compounds, big cakes. More big boys out there. I think those are like 2.5 inch and 2 inch and 3 inch boar cakes. There's more out here. Shell positions. More big cakes, more shells, more big cakes, more shells, more big boy rockets, big cakes, big shells, rockets, and all kinds of other goodies over there. Hope you guys have a great 4th of July.